Four country roads winding to a town in County Galway. Four country roads leading to the friends I left behind. Four dusty roads winding to the town of Currameigh. Four dusty roads forever in the caverns of my mind. Once in a while I hear the sound of music in the winter night. I see now and then the trees where we sheltered from the rain. And once in a while I see us walking home in the morning light. And after the time I long to see my hometown once again. Four roads from Currameigh, four roads that drift apart, four roads to Currameigh are the four dusty byways to my heart. One country road led me to the schoolhouse by the meadow, and one country road to the churchyard where my mom and daddy lie. One dusty road where I strolled with a loved one in the shadows, and one dusty road that led me on my journey far away. Four roads from Currameigh, four roads that drift apart, four roads to Currameigh are the four dusty byways to my heart. Four roads from Currameigh, four roads that drift apart, four roads to Currameigh are the four dusty byways to my heart. The four country highways to my heart.
Around 15 miles from the town of Currameigh, and almost halfway to the city of fame. That city of fame where the foul waters flow is 17 miles from the old river road. My own rolling road, Niagara, I've gazed at your white waters fall, the white Mississippi, the Missouri and all. But my playground in childhood so long, long ago was the green-covered banks of the old river road. My own rolling road. Roll on, river road, you turn and you wind, like you do through the valley of dreams in my mind. And day after day, all my yearnings still grow to return to the banks of the old river road. My own rolling road. Them paddies so often was heaven to me, and I'd walk to the Regal, the movies to see John Wayne and Gina Tree, though they didn't know, rode along on the banks of the old river road. My own rolling road. In a little tight cottage on a seacoast road farm, the fire's still burning and there's logs in the barn. But there's nobody home but my young brother Joe on the hill o'er the banks of the old river road. My own rolling roll. Roll on, river roll, you turn and you wind like you do through the valley of dreams in my mind. And day after day, all my earnings still grow to return to the banks of the old river road. My own rolling roll, my own rolling roll.
Oh, we're going out the same way we came in. Don't matter who you know or where you've been. Makes no difference who you are, Skid Row Joe or superstar. You're going out the same way you came in. We are born into this world without a thing, and we leave it just as naked as we came. You may drive a Coupe de Ville, own a mansion on the hill. Don't mean nothing when St. Peter calls your name. Oh, you're going out the same way you came in. Someone will load a fire next to kin. Some will weep and some will moan, some will spit upon your stone. But you're going out the same way you came in. Oh, they'll lay you out in all your fancy clothes, then they'll figure out just who and what you own. Then the lawyers line their nest, and your kinfolk gets the rest, 'cause you can't take it with you when you go. Oh, you're going out the same way you came in. Makes no difference who you know or where you've been. Makes no difference who you are, Skid Row Joe or superstar. You're going out the same way you came in. Oh, you're going out the same way you came in. Makes no difference who you know or where you've been. Makes no difference who you are, Skid Row Joe or superstar. You're going out the same way you came in. Yeah, you're going out the same way you came in.
By the clear crystal fountain, there's a tombstone carrying roses of my love. Shall I never see your gentle mother? Swear to wife